over-the-top GPS.
Thank you. Now watch out for the high curve.
Okay, GPS, where should I hug this turn? Low or high? GPS, hey, I need to know where the... Oh. I better see Rancini. Something's wrong with my GPS. Rancini! Rancini!
Hello, Strut. Is something wrong?
Yeah, lots. My GPS is broken and I spun into the hay bales. Can you come and fix it?
Ah, your GPS isn't broken. You should learn to read your messages.
What messages?
The ones I sent out to all the turbo dogs this morning saying, do not use your GPSs because I'm turning off the system. I shut off the master control to make some improvements.
So that's the GPS master control. Look at that big red button.
Nobody is allowed to touch it but me.
Oh, please, please.
No, the system is very complicated. One wrong button pushed, and who knows what could happen.
Okay.
Now, if you don't mind, I have to go and get a replacement part, so see you at the race. Good day.
Okay, bye.
Now to get that part.
Hello, button. So big, so red, so push me. Phew, better get out of here.
Rancini? Rancini? Rancini!
Ouch! Oh, hello, Amp.
Hi, I'm just checking to see when you'll have the GPS systems working. I wouldn't want to cancel the race.
Cancel the race? Ha! The great Rancini has never caused a race to be cancelled. Don't worry, Amp. The system is now working. With all my improvements, I promise you a race like no other.
It's race time, race fans! Put your paws together for your Racerville Turbo Dogs! And let's give a double dog welcome to our special guest starter today, the great Rancini! Rancini has made improvements to the GPS system, and he promises us a race like no other today. I can't wait to see what a race like no other looks like. Buckle up, race fans. We're about to find out.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Strut, it's about time you showed up. We've got a race to ace.
You mean I've got a race to ace, puppy dog? Me, I'm gonna clean up today.
Well, let's see what all these GPS improvements are that Rancini made. Tight curve coming up, GPS. Give me a hand and show me what you've got.
I've got 2 aces and a pair of kings. What have you got?
Huh? Not a hand of cards. I hand through the turd. God, what's going on? What's going on with that? I don't know. Looks like he's playing a card game with his GPS. A card game?
No thanks, but rock, paper, scissors. Now there's a game. Any takers? I'll play rock, paper, scissors. Paper covers rock. Ha!
Control your GPS, would you, Clutch? My GPS? Yours was the one that started this.
Rock, paper, scissors. Scissors cut paper. Ha ha!
Hold on to your tailpipes. Scissors just beat paper. There's a lot more than racing going on out there. Those GPSs are going car racing.
Yikes! I'm sure glad my GPS isn't picking weird things to do.
Picking? What would you like me to pick, Mags?
Huh?
How about some nice flowers to freshen up the car? They'd really cheer up the place.
Hey, hit the brakes! What are you doing? These flowers make me a little... Phew!
Awesome! Yes! I'm so close to winning, I can taste it!
Say, how about a taste of this, GT? Extra pickles, extra tasty.
These aren't the improvements I made. I must look at the master control in my garage and see what's wrong.
Fantastic improvements, Rencini! Awesome race!
I wonder what's wrong with everyone's cars. Hey! I'm in the lead! I told you I'd clean up today. Hello?
Calling all turbo dogs. Rencini here. I'm sorry, but there is a problem with the GPSs. I'm working on the problem now. Rencini, out.
Uh-oh. I wonder if that big red button did all this. Oh, no! Rancini told me not to touch the button, and I did. What a mess! But I'm in the lead, all because I haven't used my GPS yet. Ha! GPS, stay turned off, okay?
Did you ask me to stay turned off, Strut?
Yikes! Yes! Off! Don't do a thing!
You got it, Strut. So I shouldn't warn you about the chicken then.
What chicken?
That chicken.
No! Don't touch that button! You don't know what it... So that's what that button does. No one has crossed the finish line yet. All right, this is it. I'm going to clean up.
Did you say clean up? I'll clean up this mess right away.
No! I need to cross the finish line. Arr.
Sorry, everyone, but this race is officially canceled. The GPSs are acting crazy. What else can I do?
Rancini radioed to say he was working on the problem.
Seatbelts off.
Maybe we can help him.
Good thinking, GT. Come on, everyone, to Rencini's garage. Rencini? Rencini? Rencini?
Ah, I must fix the doorbell. I thought maybe my improvements were the problem, but I checked, and everything should be working perfectly.
What could have happened?
I think a button was pushed by accident. Strut,
Yes?
did you see anyone around the garage? Someone who might have pushed a button?
No. No one. Not a pup. Not a flea.
Without knowing what happened, I can't fix it. I never thought I'd see the day. The great Rencini has caused a race to be cancelled.
Oh, don't be too hard on yourself, Rancini. Who knew that big red button would cause such a mess? What? What did I say?
How do you know it was the big red button that was pushed?
Because,
Because you pushed it.
oops.
I told you not to touch it.
I couldn't help it. It was so big, so red, so push me, push me, push me. I'm sorry. I'll never do that again.
Can you fix it, Rencini?
But of course, now that I know it was the big red button that was pushed, it's as easy as apple strudel. Now, time to get back to the track. Strut. It's only because you told the truth that I was able to know how to fix the problem.
That's me, always there to help.
I think you're gonna help us fix another problem too, Strut.
Oh, yeah? What?
Well, until this racetrack gets cleaned up, none of us can get back to racing.
Hey, Strut, didn't you say you really wanted to clean up today?
Looks like you're getting your wish.
Could somebody give me a hand?
Let's all give Strut a hand.